A factory 140-horse Corvair convertible, a lost title Thunderbird, a Galaxy for $1,000, and a Le Mans that might just need a carburetor to hit the road again. These are real 1960s classic cars and project cars for sale under $10K, the kind sitting in driveways, not on auction stages. Let's take a close look. Number 1. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Convertible 140, $9,000, Glendale, Arizona. We start with something special. A 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Convertible, 140 horsepower version. That 140 matters. It means the high-performance version of the 2.3-liter air-cooled flat 6, 4 carburetors from the factory. These were the top-tier Corvairs before the turbo models. Seller states, 67,000 miles, factory 4-speed manual, turnkey ready, starts, runs, drives, everything works, clean Arizona title, 100% rust-free. Arizona car, dry climate is a big advantage. The Corvair is rear-engine, air-cooled, very different from traditional Detroit V8 cars. Lightweight front end, unique driving feel. With the top down, these are genuinely fun weekend cruisers. At $9,000 for a running, rust-free 140-horse convertible, this is one of the more complete cars in this lineup. Number 2. 1960 Ford Thunderbird convertible, $4,500, Pahrump, Nevada. Now we step into early 60s luxury. A 1960 Ford Thunderbird convertible, blue on blue, automatic. Seller says one owner, sold as is. Important detail, bill of sale only, title lost. The 1960 Thunderbird was the last year of the second-generation square bird. Big tail fins, chrome, elegant lines. If complete and structurally solid, these are desirable cars, but no title changes the equation significantly, depending on your state. At $4,500, this is strictly project territory, and paperwork needs to be sorted before anything else. Number 3. 1962 Ford Galaxy 500, $3,500, Palm Desert, California. A 1962 Ford Galaxy 500, automatic, 2 owners, black exterior. Original motor and transmission, rebuilt in 1996, but the car hasn't run in over 15 years. That means fuel system cleaning, tank inspection, brake system overhaul, full recommissioning. The 1962 Galaxy 500 was a full-size Ford, wide, clean body lines, strong presence, often powered by FE Series V8s. At $3,500, this is a non-running project, but if the body is solid, it could be a straightforward mechanical revival. Number 4. 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, $1,000, Henderson, Nevada. This one is pure project. A 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 for $1,000. Seller says, car is in pieces, has all parts, will not include new carburetor, distributor, or air suspension. Only original parts included. At $1,000, you're buying a parts car or a long-term rebuild. The 1965 Galaxy had cleaner, more squared styling than earlier models, popular platform for big block builds. But let's be honest, if it's disassembled, this is a serious commitment, not for someone who wants to drive next weekend. Number 5. 1966 Pontiac LeMans SE Sedan, $3,700, Stockton, California. A 1966 Pontiac LeMans SE Sedan, automatic, 2 owners. Seller says it ran last November, but carburetor float was stuck, flooding the engine. Likely needs carburetor rebuild or replacement, fluid changes, body, straight overall, some previous Bondo work on driver rear quarter, minor dents in rear bumper, interior, leather mostly holding up, headliner missing, rear seat near window ripped, 17-inch Eagle alloy wheels with decent tires, clean title, currently on non-op. The Le Mans shares GMA body architecture, same family as Chevelle and Cutlass, parts availability is good. At $3,700 OBO, if it truly only needs carburetor work and maintenance, this could be one of the quicker road-ready projects here.
Number 6. 1967 Ford Thunderbird 4-door, $3,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. A 1967 Ford Thunderbird 4-door with suicide rear doors. Seller believes it has a 428 engine. That would be a serious FE big block if confirmed. Sitting since 1986. Unknown if it runs. The 1967 Thunderbird introduced stacked headlights and a more formal body style. The rear hinged back doors are unique. At $3,000 firm, this is a drag it home and find out project. Number 7. 1964 GMC 1500 long bed, $6,500, Covina, California. A 1964 GMC 1500 regular cab long bed, automatic, original engine. Details are light, but mid-60s GM trucks are simple and durable platforms, strong aftermarket support. At $6,500, value depends heavily on rust condition and completeness. Number 8. 1969 Chevrolet Impala, $4,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. A 1969 Chevrolet Impala, 350 small block, runs and drives, clean title. New parts include rear air shocks, battery, windshield, starter, ignition coil, battery cables, spark plugs and wires, Edelbrock carburetor. Body described as straight with minimal rust, but here's the project part. Missing hood, missing rear bumper, missing gauge cluster, missing both front door windows. Seller says clearly, definitely a project car. At $4,000, you're buying a running drivetrain and straight body, plus a parts hunt. Number 9. 1962 Studebaker Lark, $5,500, Las Vegas, Nevada. A 1962 Studebaker Lark. Restored at some point, paint and upholstery redone. Does not run. No engine installed. Transmission present. Seller includes an engine and transmission combo separately. Studebaker was independent and unique. Lighter cars, distinctive styling. At $5,500, this is for someone who appreciates orphan brands and doesn't mind sourcing parts. Number 10. 1960 Pontiac Bonneville, listed as Catalina, $2,500, Phoenix, Arizona. Listed as a 1960 Pontiac Catalina Bonneville-style build. LT small block Chevy swap, air ride suspension. Blue exterior and interior, no title. The 1960 Pontiacs were dramatic. Y-track stance, heavy chrome, split grills. At $2,500, with no title, this is a parts car, off-road project, or paperwork challenge depending on your state. Ten cars. Some turnkey, some sitting since the Reagan era, some missing titles, some nearly ready for the road. That's the reality of affordable classic cars for sale. If you enjoy looking at real 1960s project cars, the honest kind, stick around. There's always another driveway waiting to be explored.